Thanks for checking out SpecialtyGearDrives.com. Today we're taking a look at a repair we did on this SEW R107 gear drive. SEW units are known for their high efficiency and compact modular design. But when continuous operation leads to bearing failure or gear wear, only specialized knowledge will restore its precision. At Specialty Gear Drives, we meticulously strip the unit down, focusing on the helical gearing and the mounting surface integrity. We correct any housing deviations to guarantee the alignment essential for this compact, high-performance unit. Every bearing, every seal, and every component is replaced with premium industrial-grade parts. If a component is obsolete, our in-house manufacturing division reverse engineers the component and matches the demanding specifications of the SEW modular system. The finished R107 unit is fully certified and ready to deliver reliable, efficient power. We stand behind this work with a 24-month warranty, and we always offer free freight and free quotes nationwide. Get your SEW Eurodrive running like new. Call or visit SpecialtyGearDrives.com today. Specialty Gear Drives, certified, reliable, industrial gearbox repair.